Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the easy steps to get Send Anywhere file transfer up and running on your Windows computer. Send Anywhere is a handy app that lets you send and receive files of any type or size without messing with their original format. You can do this using a 6-digit code or a link. Plus, it even works offline through Wi-Fi Direct, making file sharing a breeze among all your devices. To set up Send Anywhere on your Windows computer, you only need two things: a PC with Windows 10 or 11 and an internet connection. Step 1. Head over to Send Anywhere's official website. There, you'll find all the details about the app, compatible platforms, and its cool features. You can also read some happy user reviews. On the website, go to the download page, click on Windows, and boom, the download starts automatically. Step 2. Once the download's finished, go to your Downloads folder. You'll see a file named Send Anywhere Setup. Just double-click on it, give the needed permissions, and choose your installation spot, or stick with the default. The installation will kick off right away. Step 3. After it's done, you can find the app in your list of programs or on your desktop. But before we go any further, it's a good idea to get Send Anywhere on your mobile device too. It's super versatile and works on iOS, Android, Linux, macOS, and more. In this example, I'll use an Android device, but feel free to pick the one that suits you. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Send Anywhere, and tap Install. Then hit Open to start sending files with ease. Step 4. Back on your Windows computer, when you launch the app, you'll land on the main screen. There, you'll see two tabs, Send and Receive. Under Send, just click the plus button or drag your files right onto the tab to pick what you want to send. Photos, videos, music, documents, everything's fair game. After you've chosen your files, hit Send and wait for a 6-digit code or link to pop up. You can share this code or link with the person you're sending files to through social media, messaging apps, or email. If you're nearby, you can even scan the QR code. Step 5. In the Receive tab, enter the 6-digit code or paste the link you got from your sender. You can also scan the QR code if you're in the same room. Once you've got the code or link in there, click Receive, and your files will start moving. Check the Send Anywhere folder on your computer to see your newly received files. If you want, you can log in with your email, but that's entirely optional. It's handy if you plan to use Send Anywhere's cloud link to send up to 10 GB in one go. That's it, folks. You've just learned how to set up and use Send Anywhere file transfer on your Windows computer. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to catch our latest videos. If you've got questions, suggestions, or anything else to share, pop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.